Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Grow a Garden private server on Roblox. Okay, first of all, you can open up the Grow a Garden game on Roblox, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the server menu right here. Select server, and then you're going to wait, it's still loading. Okay, you're going to click on create private server. As you can see, it's free. I'm gonna click on create private server, and you can name your server. For example, I'm going to name it Grow, and then you can click on buy now. Okay, and just hold on, and then you will be able to customize your server. You can customize it by clicking on the customize menu. Okay, and then here you can set up your server. For example, I'm going to activate this option, friends allowed. Okay, and if you want to add people, you can click on add people here, and then you can add people to your server. Okay, and then you can also generate the private server link here. I'm going to click on generate, and we can copy this link and we can share it to our friends to join our server. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create private server on Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.